One of the best fighters from the Yokai Watch Academy. Now welcome on Master Designs. Tonight we're drawing Asura glifter. The one being that has the same strength and abilities as the legendary Super Saiyan. If you remember all those episodes, including Broly, you should know that this yokai is basically based by him. He got his power from a legendary being known as Ozma. Remind me that I'll draw him again soon. I'll draw him for you guys real soon. He might have been the biggest, scariest, most powerful boss I've ever drawn. There we are. Here are the Saturn orbs. Now we draw these blades here. Okay, alright. Now we draw the large arms. This is one of Asura Glifter's special abilities. He uses these special arms to defend himself. That's what happens when he defends himself against evil. This is the power of the legendary Super Saiyan. If this guy was related to the legendary Super Saiyan. Like I wish it was. Alexa, what is the legendary Super Saiyan?
According to fandom, Imoshi is an ancient Saiyan who could transform into a Super Saiyan long before Goku could.
Almost done. Now then. Come on. There he is, everyone. Alexa, what is the legendary Super Saiyan?
According to fandom, Imoshi is an ancient Saiyan who could transform into a Super Saiyan long before Goku could.
Alexa.
According to fandom, Imoshi is an ancient. Broly is a fictional character in the Dragon Ball media franchise. According to an Alexa Answers contributor, the legend of the Super Saiyan is mentioned in Broly is believed to be the legendary Super Saiyan in Shin Budokai, with Goku saying the legendary Super Saiyan, a powerful warrior that appears every 1,000 years.
Well, that concludes that. That's what he is. That's how you draw Asura Glifter, one of the legendary fighters for Yokai Watch Academy. Stay tuned for more episodes involving the best fighters from Yokai Watch Academy. Stegosaurus, see you later, and unleash the power of the legendary Super Saiyan!